How to change your name on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you change your name on Instagram. In order to change your name on Instagram, make sure that the application is completely updated and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Here you want to press the profile initials from the bottom right hand side corner and tap on the grab bar icon. As you do it, so what next you want to do is so as you are on this page, you want to click on edit profile. So basically what you have to do is you just want to go to the name section, and here you could just go ahead and erase it, so or you could add some other and click on the tick icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Once you do it, so you could do the same thing for the username. You could go and erase it, and then you could tap on the tick icon from the top right, and then you'll have successfully changed your name on Instagram. So basically what you have to do is after you're done changing your username, you want to refresh it, and then you want to log in back to your Instagram account and go to your initials and see whether it works or not. So that is how you could change your name on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.